Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy A33 and I want to show you a few camera tips. And the first, we can focus on the volume buttons. So normally when you click or tap once on each button, you can just take photo, like tapping on this shutter. You can also click and hold to take a series of the photo. We can take 30 photos. And you can also use this buttons as a zoom. So to change it, you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to scroll down and go for the shading methods and change volume keys to zoom in or out. And take a look how it works. So click the volume up to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. As you can see in this phone, we can go between ultra wide lens and 10x. Okay, so I think that's all about the volume button, but we are right now about the zoom feature, right? So normally you can switch between ultra wide lens, normal lens, and the telephoto lens, right? But when you keep tapping right here, you will find additional presets right here. That's the 4x and the 10x. And also we can click and hold and you will get this slider. And that's how you can zoom in or out. That's the alternative way of the volume buttons. For sure, pinching screen is also working. But you know what is the bad thing about this one? That in the most cases you will probably cover the lens by holding the phone, right? Because you hold the phone like that. That's natural position while holding the phone. But right here you can find the cameras. So for me, it's not the best way to use the zoom. I prefer most to use this volume buttons, because after that, when I hold the phone like that, it's steady, it's not shaking, and I not cover any lenses. Okay, so that was about the zoom. Let's go forward. Let's focus on the shutter. We can make few things about this shutter. So at the first we can drag like that and hold to take the series of the photo. We can also just click and hold to record the video. As you can see like that. You can also take photo while record video. You can change lenses, change camera from the rear to the selfie. You can pause, play, or just finish. And also we can drag like that to add the floating shutter button. Okay, so that was all about the shutter. Now we can go right here and you can make your photos like with the more details. So we have to go for the 4x3 and pick the 48 megapixel. So what I mean, let's make this more comparison. So if you want to get more details, let's switch for this 48 megapixel mode. Take photo, keep your phone steady. Okay, the photo was taken. All right, now we can go for the normal 4x3 and let's make the comparison between these two photos with the same aspect ratio but different megapixels. Okay, we can focus right here. Looks not bad, but let's switch to this additional mode. And I think that right now we can see a difference clearly. So there's definitely more details on this cell phone keyboard. Like we can focus, for example, on this 3 one more time. And it looks like it's out of focus. And this one looks definitely better. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you last thing. So we can tap right here and we can quickly apply filters. So as you can see, you can make it straight in the camera application. You don't have to download any external application from the Play Store. And also you are able to adjust strength of the filter by moving this slightly like that. And if you want to pick photo with this one, just click on the shutter. And as you can see, the photo was taken. As you can see, it looks different from this one. So yeah, that's all for the Galaxy A33. My few tips for this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.